Okay, my name is Dr. Ramandeep here. I'm from India and I'm an undergraduate student in India. I have come here for a training under Dr. Coleman. It's a 4-week training in internal medicine and I have learned a lot. Every day its schedule is like we have to see patients, like 5 or 6 patients per person, and while looking the patient we have to take the history of the patient. In the history we have to take like the present illness, the past history, the personal history, social history, the family history, every kind of we have to figure out the problem, and then finally we do a brief physical examination on the patient, in which we just have a normal general physical exam followed by examination of the chest and the heart examination and abdominal examination, of course. Okay. Yeah, I would say if someone wants to do clerkship in Chicago, he must go for this, because you have a lot of opportunity to learn so many things in a short period of time, and I think 4 weeks I have learned a lot, and I would advise the person to come. Yeah. So I just want to include one thing. The difference in looking after the patients from India and then in Chicago. The main difference is like this. In India we have one OPD. The doctor is in the OPD and the patient comes in the doctor's office one by one according to their turn. But here in Chicago under Dr. Coleman, I have learned a new thing, that they see patients, that each patient is in a separate room. So the different rooms for the different patients. So the Dr. Coleman himself go to see the patient in the room, and it's like a very personal talk there with the doctor and the patient. The other patients won't come to know about this patient. So I think there is a lot of what we say. HIPAA, the HIPAA rule. HIPAA is like the confidentiality, maintaining the confidentiality of the patient complaints, so that the doctor, once he comes to know about the patient, he cannot tell about the patient complaint to anyone else, and not to even his own colleagues. I think this is very nice thing that I have seen here in Chicago, and I like it a lot.